Hey y'all, if you're just starting out in your business journey, I've got a question for you. Are you falling into the quick fix trap? Trust me, we've all been there. It's easy to get caught up in the rush for instant results, especially when you're craving cash flow or feeling the pressure to do something, anything to see quick returns. The quick fix mentality is likely costing you more time, money, and energy than you realize. Hey, I'm Lou, your go-to entrepreneurial advisor. If you're feeling stuck with your business idea, struggling to secure funding, or just unsure about your next move, well, you're in the right place. Let's turn all that confusion into clear, actionable steps so you can confidently move forward and start building the business you've always dreamed of. My goal today is for you to walk away knowing exactly how to avoid the quick fix culture and start building the business that has sustainable success. I'll show you how those quick shortcuts aren't helping you, how they can actually hurt your growth, and we'll talk about the strategies that really make a difference. You'll leave here with the clarity you need to take actionable steps towards real, lasting results. When I first started MIK & Co Ventures, I caught myself falling into the quick fix trap. I was in a business model I wasn't familiar with, and as an introvert, having to build a personal brand from scratch felt overwhelming. It made me so anxious that I literally felt lost. I started buying every tool I could find that business coaches and advisors were using, thinking that they held the secret to my success. But here's what I didn't realize. Those tools worked for them because they already had established personal brands with a foundation. When they used those tools for lead generation or sales conversions, they saw results because they had already built the trust and credibility. Me, not so much. So there I was, spending unnecessary money and not seeing any returns, all because I thought a quick funnel would magically bring in the cash. I was looking for shortcuts and not paying attention to building the solid foundation my business needed. Can you relate? If so, I'm here to help you avoid this same pitfall. Let's talk about 3 major signs you're falling into the quick fix mentality and how to break free from it. The first is chasing trends over strategy. Listen, building a sustainable business takes time. If you're constantly jumping on the latest trend without considering whether they align with your brand or vision, you're just wasting time and money. Trends are distractions, not solutions. So here's what I want you to do. Stop and ask yourself, how does this align with my overall business goal? If it doesn't fit, move on. And if you can't answer that question, it might mean your foundation isn't strong enough yet. This is why I created my free starter kit to help you build that solid foundation. I'll link it below so you can start focusing on what really matters. Next, relying on quick results. We all want fast results, but fast doesn't last, not in business. If you're looking for a rapid transformation without putting in the work for long-term sustainable growth, you're setting yourself up for failure. I challenge you to shift your mindset. Start valuing the process over the quick win. Focus on building long-term strategies that create real growth, not shortcuts that promise overnight success. It's all about consistent, gradual action that builds momentum over time. And lastly, overloading on resources instead of taking action. Do you find yourself constantly collecting tools, courses, and resources and not actually doing anything with them? Well, this is what I call analysis paralysis. Before you know it, you've spent $2,000 and have nothing to show for it. More isn't better. So here's my advice. Simplify instead of buying every resource under the sun. Take one actionable step with what you already know and see it through. Progress, no matter how small, is still progress. And if you do feel the need for more knowledge, don't just collect resources. Find a community that can help you implement what you've learned. If you feel like you need that community now, I invite you to join my Try Business Accelerator community. It's an all-in-one space that helps entrepreneurs find clarity, simplicity, and relief. I'll link it below for you to learn more, and you can take advantage of my 7-day free trial to get started. It promises immediate results and can feel like the easy way out. But I want you to remember, the quick fix often leads to burnout and wasted resources. Instead, focus on building a strong foundation and taking consistent, actionable steps toward your goals. It's the only way to create a sustainable business that lasts. I hope this has helped you see the bigger picture. If you're ready to break free from the quick fix mentality and build a business that truly lasts, I've set up a special link where you can schedule a complimentary business clarity call with me. Let's get you refocused and moving in the right direction because you deserve more than shortcuts.